Just to introduce you to ourselves, we're from a company called Luzon, which has got a brand called Get Me Known. We're in the microchipping business. I am Johan Senior, Johan de Toy Senior, managing the company, and with me is
Also Johan de Toy, acting as CTO. I actually saw the competition and just thought it was very good and we'd actually fit the criteria very well to be part of an emerging market.
microchipping each and every animal in South Africa, which means that we more than at this stage, our majority market are dogs and cats. We're currently going into wildlife. We're currently looking into ostriches and handling with government certain ailments like the H1N1 virus that works with temperature. We're looking at new technology. And with that specific technology, we're also looking at taking our solutions out into the bigger market. Because if we can detect sicknesses like H1N1 by means of a temperature detection, and they all get into one camp, and you don't have to scan them individually, know immediately which one is sick, then we can basically take it to international market and say it's useful for all animals. Luzon is providing microchip technology that can be used in any animal. The little microchip is inside the syringe. It's a very thin needle because technology is advanced that you can basically have a microchip that size that carries a unique 15-digit identification that gets injected into an animal. He doesn't feel it. It's like a normal injection, and it carries identity for life. You get a scanner with it, and you basically scan. It'll give you exactly the same number, and if you connect that to a database, it'll tell you exactly whose dog it is, where it came from, who was the breeder, that whole what we call history log of that animal till the day it dies.